Smile. Hello friends. Today we will do the activity of the chahak kit with the first class students. So come, let's start the video. Shan, pick B. Show your thumb and smile also. Next, Hafiz, pick A. Very good, you have done. The next round is going on. We will do the activity with Hibza. Pick P. Very good, you have done. Smile. Very good. Anushka, pick J. J for
Jug.
very good, you have done very well. Nikhil, pick K. Very good, show your thumb. Okay, next Askansa. Prachi, you will pick H in this alphabets. Pick H. H. Very good, you have done. Smile. Very good. Next, Shaheen, this is your chance. Pick E. Oh my God. Very good. Show your thumb. Okay, very good. We have done this activity very well and properly. Thank you guys. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Bye-bye.